Magandang gabi po. Ilang sandali na lamang hinihintay bago ang proklamasyon o inaasang proklamasyon ng ikatlong batch ng mga nanalong senador sa eleksyon 2013. Kabilang po riyan sina Cynthia Villar, JV Ejercito Estrada at Gregorio Onasan, nakukumpleto sa 12 bagong senador. Kasama rin pong ipoproklama ngayong gabi sina Nancy Binay at Coco Pimentel na hindi sumipot noon dahil sa mga kwestiyon sa anilay premature proclamation. Sa live video po natin ngayon dyan sa PICC, makikita po natin yung mga inaasahang ipaproclaim ngayon. At sa pag-monitor po natin, nakita rin natin dyan si dating Pangulong Erap Estrada na ngayon ay Mayor-elect ng Maynila, si Senator Tito Soto, Senator Manny Villar, si Vice President Jejomar Binay at nandyan din po si San Juan Mayor Gia Gomez III. At gaya po ng nabanggit natin ay inaasahan po ilang minuto mula ngayon ang inaasahang o ang nakatakdang proclamation sa natitira pang mga pwesto sa 12 senator-elects para sa 2013 elections.
By virtue of the powers vested in it under the Constitution, the Omnibus Election Code, Batas Pambansa Bilang 881, Republic Acts number 9369, 8436, 7166, 6646, and other election laws, the Commission on Elections, setting in bank as the National Board of Canvassers, declares the following as duly elected senators of the Republic of the Philippines and the May 13, 2013 national and local elections. Ejercito Joseph Victor G. Ejercito Estrada JV, Honasan Gregorio B. Honasan Gringo, Villar Cynthia A. Villar Cynthia Hanip Buhay, by virtue of this, the National Board of Canvassers now proclaims the following as duly elected senators of the Republic of the Philippines and the May 13, 2013 national and local elections to serve for a term of 6 years beginning on June 30, 2013, in accordance with Article 6, Section 4 of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines. Angara Juan Edgardo M., Binay Maria Lourdes Nancy S., Cayetano Alan Peter, Escudero Francis Joseph G., Ligarda Lorna Regina B., Llamanzares Mary Grace P., Aquilino Paulo Benigno 4A, Pimentel Aquino Martin III D., Trillanes Antonio 4F, Ejercito Joseph Victor G., Honasan Gregorio B., Villar Cynthia A. So ordered, signed, Sixto S. Brillantes Jr. Chairman, signed Lucinito and Tagli Member, signed Elias R. Yusuf Member, signed Christian Robert S. Lim Member, signed Maria Gracia Shelo M. Padaka, signed Al A. Pareño, signed Louis Tito F. Gia, Member.
We will proceed now to present the certificate of proclamation to each of the winners.
chairman muna. Isa kayo.
Kasalukuyan po nating pinapanood ang pagkakaproklama sa 5 pa o sa 12 na mga senators-elect para sa election 2013. Makikita po natin sa live video ngayon ang pagpipresent ng certification sa 5 sa 12 mga senators-elect. Kabilang na po dyan si Senator Coco Pimentel, si Nancy Binay, Cynthia Villar, si JV Ejercito Estrada at si Senator Gregorio Onasan. Sa 12 iprinoclaim na mga senators-elect para sa 2013, tanging si Senator Trillanes IV ang hindi nakadalo at kagaya rin po nung ikalawang batch nung siya ay ma-proclaim ay hindi rin siya nakadalo doon dahil sa di umano siya ay out of town at hanggang sa ngayon pong final proclamation po, third batch ay wala pa rin po itong si Senator Trillanes at makikita rin po natin na naandyan pa yung ibang ibang malalaking pangalan sa politika na nandyan sa nangyayari pong proklamasyon sa mga sandaling ito. Balikan po natin ang live na nangyayari sa PICC.
Philippines. Signed, the chairman and all the commissioners.
Ay, nawakan ko para pwede mong bitawan na.
Congratulations. Sino sunod ikaw? Si ano? Yusuf. Si ano?
We, the chairman and commissioners of the Commission on Elections, sitting and bank as the National Board of Canvassers, hereby proclaim Aquilino Martin D. Pimentel III as Senator-elect in the May 13, 2013 automated national and local elections, done this 17th day of May 2013 at the Philippine International Convention Center, City of Pasay, Philippines.
We, the chairman and commissioners of the Commission on Elections, sitting and bank as the National Board of Canvassers, hereby proclaim Joseph Victor G. Ejercito as Senator-elect in the May 13, 2013 automated national and local elections, done this 18th day of May 2013 at the Philippine International Convention Center, City of Pasay, Philippines, signed by the chairman and all the commissioners.
Villar to. Hunasan.
Picture mo na daw. Hindi. Alphabetical tayo.
National Board of Canvassers, we, the chairman and commissioners of the Commission on Elections, sitting and bank as National Board of Canvassers, hereby proclaim Gregorio B. Hunasan as Senator-elect in the May 13, 2013 automated national and local elections, done this 18th day of May 2013 at the Philippine International Convention Center, City of Pasay, Philippines. Signed, Sexto is Brillantis Jr. Chairman and all the commissioners.
Ringo, congratulations. Congrats, ha? Pag gusto mo dito, pumesto muna. Chairman, gitna. Okay, wala. Picture daw. Okay. Mamaya na lang. Sige po.
We, National Board of Canvassers, we, the Chairman and the Commissioners of the Commission on Elections, sitting in bank as the National Board of Canvassers, hereby proclaim Cynthia A. Villar as Senator-elect in the May 13, 2013 automated national and local elections, done this 18th day of May 2013 at the Philippine International Convention Center, City of Pasay, Philippines, signed Chairman and all the Commissioners.
Chairman, tatabi na natin siguro, kukuha na ng picture.
Makataas kamay. Siguro. Chair, ikaw na yung taas kamay. Taas kamay. Taas kamay. Ikaw.
Pero tingin natin to. Tingin natin to.
Mga kapuso, 5 araw makalipas ang midterm elections na iproklama na po ang 12 senators-elect para sa 2013 elections. Nakikita po natin ngayon ang 5 sa 12 ito, ang si Nancy Binay, si Senator-elect Nancy Binay, Senator-elect Aquilino Pimentel, Coco Pimentel, Senator-elect JV Ejercito Estrada, Senator-elect Gringo Honasan at Senator-elect Cynthia Villar, at tanging si Senator Antonio Trillanes IV lamang po ang hindi pa formal na ipoproklama dahil ayon sa kanyang kampo siya ay out of town sa ngayon.